Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable map scale on the marine traffic application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen. You can check the map, but actually if you want to enable or display the map scale, just click to the icon at the upper left corner of the home screen and tap to the map options. Scroll down and you can find the map scale under the vessel names. Actually I use that, but if you want to turn off, click to the next white circle. And if it will be turned dark gray, this function will be disabled. If you want to turn on, click that again, and that's it. So simple. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.